How to fix double tapping to like comments on Instagram not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're tackling with an issue that's been buzzing a lot with the Instagram user. When double tapping to like comments just doesn't work. If you are stuck with this problem, don't worry. I've got step-by-step guide to help you fix it. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, make sure your it's stable. If you are on Wi-Fi, check if it is working by opening another app or a web page. On mobile data, ensure that you have a strong signal because Instagram needs a solid connection to register those likes. Next, ensure your Instagram app is up to date. Open your App Store and search for Instagram and see if there is any update available. Updates often fix bugs like this one, so don't skip this step. And if app is up to date, try restarting it. Close Instagram completely and don't just minimize it and reopen it because sometimes a simple refresh is all you need. And still no luck? Then try logging out and logging back in. Go to your profile and tap on the three dash icon at the top and select settings and then simply scroll down and log out. And once you log out, you can simply log back in and check if the issue is resolved. For Android users, clearing the Instagram cache can help. Go to your phone settings and find apps and select Instagram and then tap on clear cache. iPhone users unfortunately don't have this option, but don't worry, we have got other steps for you. And if clearing cache doesn't help, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. This gives you a fresh installation and can resolve deeper bugs. And if none of these steps work, it's time to let Instagram know. To do that, simply go to your profile and tap on the three dash icon. From there, simply you can scroll down to the bottom and tap on help. And then you can report a problem by describing the issue and they will look into it and guide you further. And that's it. These steps should help you fix the double tapping to like comments issue on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.